Hello everyone, my name is Dylan and I'm your English speaking teacher. We are going to learn about farm animals once again. And I'm going to say whether I like or I don't like the animal. And I want you to remember at the end of the video. I like cows. I don't like cats. I like chickens. I don't like camels. I like dogs. I don't like donkeys. I like ducks. I don't like emus. I like horses. I don't like llamas. I like rabbits. I don't like pigs. I like sheep. I don't like turkeys. Now, can you remember at home what I like and what I don't like? Okay, now on the screen, I will show you exactly what I like and what I don't like. Did you get these correct at home? That is okay if you didn't get them correct. No problem. Now at home, we are going to determine what meal best suits me. So, I will have two different dishes up on the screen. Dish number one has tuna, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Dish number two has chicken, potatoes, onions, and egg. Now, let's determine what meal is best for me. I don't like tuna. I like carrots. I like tomatoes. I like lettuce. And I don't like mushrooms. I like chicken. I also like potatoes. I like onions. And I like eggs. What dish is best for me? Dish 1 or dish 2? Yes, that's right. Dish 2 is best for me because I like chicken, I like potatoes, I like onions, and I like eggs. Thank you for finding the perfect dish for me. Now, remember, every single one of you at home to put a big smile on your face, and also, I will speak to you in the next video. Bye bye.